Would you trust your recent WhatsApp balance message more than an old SMS warning from your bank? Many of us do, and that's exactly how a 20,000 credit card bill quietly turned into 1.5 lakh debt over 2 years. This is Ravi, a young guy with a fresh job. He loves his chai tapri breaks, booking cab, and online shopping. 1 month, a few swipes later, shoes, dinner, a mobile data pack, he ends up with a 20,000 credit card bill. Next month, Ravi spends another 5,000 to 8,000 on wristwatch, cab rides, dinners, but he mainly remembers these new swipes, forgetting the older due still unpaid. That's recency bias. Recent spending feels bigger than old bills. When Ravi sees the minimum payment of 1,000, it feels manageable. Each month, he repeats the same cycle paying only the minimum, continuing to spend and hoping things will get better soon. That's optimism bias in action. But the card issuer charges about 24% interest per year or 2% monthly. Like slow, steady monsoon rains filling a bucket, the debt grows a little every day. Ravi doesn't pay the full bill. Even with warnings and reminders, Ravi focuses on recent messages and ignores older bills. Like ignoring a traffic jam because yesterday you saw an empty road. But that jam is still there. After 2 years of paying only the minimum and continuing to spend each month, Ravi's small 20,000 debt has ballooned into more than 1.5 lakh. The simple joys, chai breaks, cab rides, are gone, replaced by stress and regret. How to avoid this? Always pay your full credit card bill, not just minimum. Track all your spends, old and new, so nothing piles up unseen. Don't just hope, it's better to plan and pay early. If you want to avoid credit card debt traps like this, hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe for simple money tips.